My name's John Cheney and I'm the founder and CEO of Workbooks CRM. I'll be honest and tell you I love what I do. I love creating companies and I love growing businesses, but it's hard work. What I found over the years is that really understanding what's going on across your business can make the difference. If you can find out what's really working, and probably more importantly what's not, you can adapt and change your business and deliver success. The key to all this, though, I think, is understanding the metrics across your business. Is it working well in sales and marketing? Is it working well in customer service and finance? And if you can see that, if you can analyse what's working, you can really improve things. Let me give you some examples. So when we first launched Workbooks, we invested a lot of money in building the brand. We spent money with advertising agencies, digital marketing agencies, trying to drive lead flow to our website. We employed a digital agency to do that for us. We spent a lot of money on pay-per-click advertising, and they generated a load of leads. But what we could see was those leads didn't convert into our sales process. They were fundamentally the wrong shape. The organisations were too small and they weren't the right types of customers for us. In truth, we'd wasted a lot of that marketing money. But we learned from the metrics, we adapted, we changed our strategy, and over time, we were able to generate the right kind of leads and the right kind of sales opportunities to help us build a successful business. So analysing the front end of a business, marketing and sales, and work out what works and what doesn't is key. But as your business grows, you need to do the same with your customer services teams and support teams. So here at Workbooks, after a couple of years, we launched our second product. It was very successful, in fact, more successful than we thought, and it was adopted by many more customers more quickly than our business plans said it should be. That's the good news, but that created real problems for us downstream. And we could see it quite quickly by looking at the metrics in our customer services teams. We had a lot more calls coming in. Those calls were taking much longer to close. And the customer response from the surveys they were getting back were beginning to go downhill. We weren't delivering as good a quality service as I would have liked. So we looked at the challenges, we invested more in training the team, we hired some more people, and we really brought the customer services team back up to full speed very quickly. And we were able to do that because we could see almost in real time the impact in the sales success, how that was impacting our support and customer services teams. We adapted quickly and we invested more money to address that, I guess, positive problem we created in our own business. And really at the heart of driving success across an organisation is trying to understand what are the key metrics, what are the things that you need to measure, and what is really going to make a difference so you can make the right decisions at the right time in your business and really drive the successful outcomes that you're looking for.